Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Perfect Lab. The question is, have you ever wondered how you can tell whether a lab material has been sterilized in an autoclave without opening it? This answer lies in a simple but important tool called autoclave indicator tape. So in this video, I will explain what autoclave indicator tape is, how it works, and how to interpret the color changes that indicate exposure to the required sterilization condition. So I will encourage you to stay with me as I take you through. So before we look at what an autoclave indicator tape is, I first want to introduce you to how it looks like. So these are two different pictures of an autoclave indicator tape, and these are the strips. So the first one have a green strip and the second one has a pale or a light yellow strips, which are the heat sensitive chemical indicators on the autoclave indicator tape. So we can say an autoclave indicator tape is a heat sensitive adhesive tape used in microbiology laboratories to show that an item has been exposed to the conditions of an autoclave during sterilization. And what we also have to note is that this tape changes color when exposed to high temperature and steam to indicate that the material has gone through the sterilization process. So from this picture, this happens to be the strips or the heat sensitive chemical indicators on the two autoclave indicator tapes I've shown over here before sterilization or before autoclaving. So after sterilization or autoclaving, we can see that the heat sensitive indicators on our autoclave indicator tapes here changes color to this dark black to indicate that the sterilization process has met the standard conditions. So it is commonly used on culture media, glassware, surgical instrument, and autoclave bags before sterilization in the microbiology lab. Now let's look at the color change of autoclave indicator tape after sterilization. So even before we sterilize or before sterilization, what we first have to do is to use an appropriate length of the indicator tape and paste it on the sealing or the packaging surface of the items to be sterilized. So in this case, this is the item that we want to sterilize. And once this is done, we place it in an autoclave to sterilize it. And for the sterilization to be complete, we allow the autoclave to attain this standard condition, so which is a temperature of 121 degrees Celsius and at a pressure of 15 psi for 15 minutes. So once these standard conditions have been attained, then we can say that sterilization has been done. So after sterilization, what happens is that the indicator on the tape changes from the light yellow or the green strip to grayish black or dark black, indicating or to indicate that the sterilization process has met the standard conditions, which is the temperature of 121 degrees Celsius and at a pressure of 15 psi for a duration of 15 minutes. So thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Perfect Lab. Also, leave your comments or questions below, and don't forget to scan the code on your screen to follow us on WhatsApp for more laboratory updates and tutorials. See you in the next video and have a perfect life. Thank you.